Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with the stock market update on Monday, March 24th. So the market got pretty oversold last week, but it really was struggling to get through the 5,700 area. It has broken through that now on the upside this morning. So we should have an oversold rally. It's a little late in coming, but we're targeting perhaps 5,800. I mean, it's not going to be huge now because usually these rallies typically make it up to about the declining 20-day moving average, might overshoot that a little bit. There's always the possibility that an actual bottom is in, and the other buy signals would indicate that later on. But right now, mostly we're just seeing oversold kind of buy signals. So the S&P chart is about to generate what we call a McMillan volatility band buy signal. When it crosses above 57.30, that will happen. That certainly seems like it's going to happen this morning. And so that's a longer term signal. That's a positive thing. And that has a higher target. That target's up about near the 6,200 level. So that can take a while to develop. The last one of those we had was last August. It was a pretty strong rally when it eventually got going. The equity-only put-call ratios have continued to rise at a rapid pace, so they're still on sell signals for the stock market because they're rising, but they are now getting very high on their charts. That indicates a major oversold condition for the stock market. And when those roll over and begin to trend lower, that would be another intermediate term buy signal. So if that happens while we're in what appears to be an oversold rally, that could lend some credence to the fact that it might be stronger than that. Breadth has been bouncing around, but it is the breadth oscillators are on buy signals right now. We don't have a signal from new highs and new lows. That's in a neutral state. VIX has remained fairly elevated up around the 18-19 area. That's going to be, a positive in the fact that we peaked earlier last month and we've fallen, or earlier this month, and we've fallen from there. So that's a buy signal. But it's negative in the broader sense that VIX is trending higher. So one of those two is going to have to give eventually. The construct of volatility derivatives, which is basically the shape of the term structure of the VIX futures and the CBOE volatility indices, that's remained pretty flat, which is not bullish, but it's starting to develop a forward, an upward sloping momentum picture, and so that would be bullish. So it's kind of trying to get bullish, but it really hasn't gotten there yet. So we're trading these individual signals as they occur. We're also rolling up in the money options when they, or down if they're puts, when they get deeply in the money to take some money off the table. And so if you'd like to keep up with these things on a daily basis, I invite you to visit our website and check out our newsletters. Meanwhile, have a great week trading.